everybody, today I'm going to be teaching you a simple song, simple chords on the ukulele. And the song is I'll Fly Away. Now, we're going to start with C. And what C is on the 3rd fret, 4th string, you play C. And that is the starting to our song. See up close? That is the only string I'm holding down. Now, you're going to want to play a D on a guitar, but if you don't know that shape, it is your pointer finger on the 2nd string, 2nd fret, your middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and your other finger on the 3rd string, 3rd fret. That's G. And see up close? Those are what I'm holding down, and that makes a G. Now, F. F is really simple too. It's just your pointer finger on the 3rd string, 1st fret, and your middle finger on the 1st string, 2nd fret. See there? If you need to replay this video, you can to learn this song. You start in C, then you go to F. Back to C. When I die, hallelujah, by and by. G. Fly away. Back to C. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and subscribe to my vlog channel. I have it linked down below. God bless.
Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. God bless.